I've been on YouTube for a while now and I still don't know how to do intros. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a sewing vlog. We're going to be making a dress with this material for a client. Now, there's a problem. I know you say there's always a problem with each other. The owner of this dress is coming on Sunday and today is Friday. Why am I like this? This means that I have just today and tomorrow to make this outfit. This is the style that she wants right here on the screen. Now, from my observation, the style that is on the screen right now, the material they used to make that dress is chiffon. It looks like chiffon. I think it's chiffon. But I don't know what this is, but this is not chiffon. But I think it can still suffice. Is that how to pronounce it? Suffice? I don't know, whatever. It can still suffice because it's kind of light and it sways as well, the way chiffon would sway. So yeah, let me just start making the dress right now. I can't raise my voice past this. Hopefully you can hear me clearly. It's currently past 11 p.m. at night. So I want to start joining the pieces of the outfit together. But before I do that, thank God I remembered there's this part of the gown that has elastic at the waistband, elastic thread. So I have my elastic thread here with me, but there's something I like to do before I use my elastic thread. I usually like to soak it in water. I have my plate of water here, so I'll just put it inside and leave it there for a while. I usually do this because water helps the elastic thread to be more elastic so the thread doesn't cut or snap while I'm sewing. I don't know about you, but whenever I'm sewing at night, I usually like to take something that has caffeine. So I got myself an energy drink, the one I usually take. If you're in Nigeria, you know Predator. I also got this chin chin. This is what I'm going to be snacking on while I'm making this outfit to keep myself busy. So these are like the edges of the fabric from when I was cutting the dress out. I'll just be using this to finish the neck of this dress and any other part of the dress that needs finishing. So this is the final look on her, and she decided she wanted it a bit shorter than how it looks right now. So I went ahead and made some adjustments to the length, and this is how it's now looking on her during the second fitting. You made it to this part of the video, and that only means that you like it. So like this video. Also make sure you subscribe for more amazing content like this. Follow Derathebee on all social media at Derathebee. Catch you again in the next video. Bye.